Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to do a short review and presentation of a vacuum cleaner from Philips. It's the model FC8575, and as you can see on the picture here, it's a very compact vacuum cleaner. On the top of the box we have some specifications and some information about this vacuum cleaner. These are the surfaces where you can use the vacuum cleaner, so basically you can use it on any type of surface. This is how the vacuum cleaner looks like. It's blue. This is the main nozzle. It has another nozzle for hard floors. It has a mini nozzle with an integrated brush, and it has another tool for very small spaces or tight spaces. Okay, here we have some descriptions in many languages, and here we have some characteristics like airflow max, like the size of the bag, the length of the cord, and so on. So this is what we have on top of the box. On this side of the box we have a picture with the vacuum cleaner and some high-level specifications. On this side of the box we have other pictures with the vacuum cleaner. On this side of the box we have a picture with the vacuum cleaner and also some specifications and some information about the warranty. It has 5 years warranty. And this is it. Let's see what we have inside the box. So let's open the box. Inside the box we have some user manuals and the warranty card. We have the metallic part of the nozzle. Okay, and as you can see here on the metallic part we have this piece for small spaces. It's attached to the metallic part. Let me take it out. So this is how it looks like, and this is the mechanics. So in order to extend it you just need to push this button here, and as you can see it's extended, and if you want to push it back you push it, and now it's very compact. The quality of the metal is very good. It looks solid, and we'll see how it behaves in time. And this is the accessory for the small or tight spaces, and as you can see it fits very well in this accessory support here on the vacuum cleaner. And if you want you can remove it by pulling this plastic support, or you can press it back. Or let's try it. Yeah, you can slide it here. Okay, we have the main nozzle, which is the 3-active nozzle. This is a very good nozzle. I was using it before in my old vacuum cleaner. It's top nozzle. It's one of the best nozzles in the market. Let me open it. This is how it looks like. As you can see it has a moving head. It has a clip here to release it from the metal part. Okay, and here on this part, as you can see, let me push this button here. It has brushes all over the place, in front, on the back, but also on the side. And as you can see here, it's a small gap, and it allows dust to come directly to the hole here. As I told you, it's a very good head. And these are some wheels, very solid ones. The quality is top. It's very good quality. Okay, so this is the main nozzle. Here we have the hard floors nozzle. So this is how it looks like. It has a Philips logo here. As you can see, it has a flexible support, And also we have two kind of brushes here. This is the front brush, and you can see there are some small holes here. And this is the back brush, and it's very compact, no holes here. And two rubber wheels here. We have the cord. Okay, this is how the cord looks like. So this is the main cord. This is where you can control the airflow intensity, and as you can see here, it has three levels. This is an armchair here, this is for carpets, and this is for hard floor. Yeah, and this is the part where it goes into the vacuum cleaner. The cord is like 2 meters long. The quality of the material is excellent. I like it. It's very hard, very nice. And here on this part, as you can see, it's a sliding part where we have the small nozzle with a small brush here. This is very good, for example, for your car, for your sofa, for your armchair. And in order to slide it back, you just press this part here and it goes back. And then you put this part in the metal support. Very nice. So in order to connect the cord to the metal part, you just need to push it like this. And now you can see it was a click. It stays in place. And if you want to release it, you just press this button and pull it out. It's very, very nice. Now it's on. Now it's off. Very simple. And the last item in the bag, as you can see, here is the vacuum cleaner. I will take it out. This is how it looks like. It comes in a plastic wrap. Yeah. Like this. I will clean the desk now to put it on the desk. I will peel off the plastic cover. And this is how the vacuum cleaner looks like. It's very nice. I like the materials. This is a matte plastic, black plastic. This is a glossy plastic, the blue one. This is how you open it. You just pull this part here, and here is the bag. It's an S bag, as you can see. These are very good bags. And this is what's inside the vacuum cleaner. This is the filter. If you want to remove it, you just slide it up, you clean it, and then you put it back. Let's put back the bag. Okay, you close it. This is the button where you select the airflow intensity. It has 3 positions. It's low, medium and high. On this part here, as you can see, we have 2 buttons. One is for the power and the other one is for the cord, the power cord. Okay, here are 2 plastic legs. If you want to put the vacuum cleaner like this, you can put it. Okay, and on this part you have the 360-degree wheel. Here you have 2 very big wheels. These are rubber wheels. Here you have some specifications and some characteristics of the model, and here you have the support where you put the nozzle. And this is it. As I told you, it looks very nice. It looks very premium. And let's plug it in to see how it performs. In order to connect the cord to the cleaner, you just need to push this into the cleaner hole. It's done. It's a 360-degree. As you can see, it moves around very easily. And now I will connect the metal part to the flexible one. It's done, it's in place. And then I will connect the main nozzle to the vacuum cleaner, and this is how you do it. It's a click, it's in place, it's steady, and this is it. Let's power it on. So it's plugged in, let's start it. Now it's on the smallest speed. As you can see, it's not very loud, but this is the smallest speed. Let's increase it to medium. It started to be a little bit louder, but it's still okay. And now this is maximum. It's loud, yes, indeed, it's a loud vacuum cleaner. But if you use it for a few minutes, it's okay. Let's see the power. From what I can see, comparing to my old one, the suction power is quite good. It has 650 watts and maximum 900 watts. Yeah, it's working very well. As you can see, I'm trying now to clean my carpet. Okay, so the performance of the vacuum cleaner is quite good. The price of this vacuum cleaner is around 100 euro, and I'm quite happy with it. Let's hope that it will perform well and it will not break in time. The only thing that is missing is the little indicator to let you know when the power is too much or when the suction power is too heavy for the engine. But apart from this, this is a very good vacuum cleaner. So this was our review. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.